Hi, Vyacheslav with you. I want to show you a watch that arrived a long time ago. I did, I think, an unboxing and review of it. Well, if I find the links, I'll leave them below, and you can go through the tips, have a look if anyone is interested. Look at the condition it's become. What has it become? It's been running for quite a long time. Probably how long? More than half a year or less. Well, it's been running for half a year. Here are some holes that can be torn off. Let's not do that. It was priced at $1.12. I'll leave a link on the screen. This is the strap, the width of the watch. And these fasteners themselves are from these fasteners that the lugs are made up. And hold the strap. Okay, well, let's show you the strap. I think it will be this very thing, and it will last longer than this one, and even if it lasts for 6 months, it will also be good. Rigid designation. This is the width. Okay, well, let's take off the old one and see if the new one will fit. Honestly, I haven't done anything like this for a long time. In theory, just like that, hop, and that's it. And that's it. This dog flew away from us. Okay, well, in principle, they're no different. Even these ones that were original are somehow better. I probably left them. These are some crooked ones that arrived. Well, I need to try them on. Well, yes, it fits well. Okay, now we'll decide. Which one up, which one down? Is that correct, too? What do you think? I think so. Subtitles by Dima Torzak. Okay, I've decided. I'll stand like this. So let's try. By the way, the clock is working. That is, look at it, it's standing there. The battery is just dead. Batteries will not be such also packaging here to order AliExpress, so that. Not to go to the master, not to change the battery. So, where's the hole? The strap bracelet goes less, plays, that is, it glitches. Let's go. Let's go.
И это тоже попало. Ну все, друзья, вот таким нехитрым способом заменили ремешок на часах.
Everyone who liked it, rate it, write comments. Maybe I did something wrong, advise something better, but I don't know.
То есть как лучше. Но это я не знаю. Может, если у него...
Basically, a similar buckle, a suburban spare part. Well, that's it, friends. Good luck to everyone. Have a good mood. This was Vyacheslav Vanchana with you. Bye. See you there.